This is what the Budgies first think of a Christmas tree. Will they settle on it or will they be scared? Let's find out. Come on, Green. I think they're gonna fly away. Where you going? Here. Oh, you wanna come out? You just Now don't fly. What do you think of the Christmas tree? You're gonna sit on. Flied away. What about the blue one? That's probably gonna fly back to the cage. Christmas tree, Budgie. Sit on it, go on. Don't be scared. Fly. As expected, it likes its cage. The safety of its cage. Come on, let's try one more time. Come on, sit up. That's what Budgies are like when there's anything new. They're suspicious of it, scared of it. Once they get used to it, they'll be more than happy. Come on, Budgie. Come on. Let's try again. Probably going to be scared. Slowly. Slowly. Scared. Scared of a Christmas tree. You'll probably get used to it after a while. After they've been sat on it. Yeah, let's try the blue one. Come on. Just sit on it, sit on a branch. Don't be scared, it's a tree. Back to the cage. Come on, just sit on it once. They'll get used to it over time. A few days, it's something new. So, the Budgies first look at a Christmas tree. By the way, this was free. I just chopped a branch off the handai and stuck it through a couple of bricks to keep it upright. And that's our Christmas tree. Free. If I can get one Budgie to sit on it. Go on, sit on it. You're nearly there. Come on. Sit on it. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Nearly. Nearly had the Budgie sit on it. Yeah. On the branch. Yeah, oh! Nearly had the Budgie sit on. Let's see if we can get the green one to sit on it. No, that's the problem when they can fly. Oh, harder to get them to do stuff. So the blue one nearly sat on it, so probably that's the best one to try again. Right then, let's put it near the top. Oh, nearly. Alright then, we'll try again some other day. Light is coming now.
Should old acquaintance be forgotten? and never brought to mind. Should all acquaintance be forgot and all lang syne? For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for all lang syne. Take a cup of kindness yet for all lang syne. For all lang syne, my dear, for all lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for all lang syne.
Yeah, hey, hold it. Yeah, the reflection.